Hello dear student, today we are going to cover the relation in discrete structure and theory of logic BCS 303. I am Assistant Professor Varun Kumar, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So let's discuss with the relation. If we want to discuss a relation between elements of two sets like A and B, we can use ordered pair with their first element taken from set A and second element from set B. Like if A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 and there is another set that is B is X, Y and Z. So ordered pair between A and B, that is A cross B, is equal to that 1 comma X, 1 comma Y and 1 comma Z, and similarly 2 comma X and 2 comma Y and 2 comma Z, and also 3 comma X, 3 comma Y and 3 comma Z. This is the total ordered pair construct between A cross B. So there is total ordered pair is 3 plus 3 plus 3 become 9. If cardinality of set A is equal to M and cardinality of set B is equal to N, so total number of ordered pair present in A cross B is equal to, that is, mod of A dot mod of B. It means M dot N. Total number of ordered pair present in a Cartesian product of A and B is equal to M dot N. So what is the relation? We take some ordered pair out of all these ordered pair. We select some ordered pair which follow our definition. So that creates a particular relation. So we can say that the relation is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. When A comma B belongs to the relation, we say that A is said to be related to B. If we write A comma B, it means A is related to B. We can write A related to B, or we can say that A comma B belongs to the relation. So example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and universal relation on A is equal to 1, 2, 3, that is, first we compute A cross A. So what will happen? What is the order pair? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. So it may be a relation, that is R. We take some ordered pair from the universal relation and construct a particular relation. So in this particular relation we pick 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2 and 2, 3. So R is a relation. So if we not take any element of this particular universal set, like we can say that R is equal to 5, it is also called as null relation. Null relation, or it might be an empty relation. So relation on set, definition: a relation on set A is a relation from A to A. It means A to A number of element present in A related to another element from set A, similar set. Like in other words, we can say that the relation on set A is a subset of A cross A. Let example, we put here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 elements present in set A, and we construct a particular relation which ordered pair are in the relation such that A comma B, where A less than B, A less than B, it means first element is always less than with second element. What is the total ordered pair that is constructed by this particular A cross A? That is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 3 1, 3 2, 3 4 and 4 1, 4 2, 4 3 and 4 4. So, we have total 4 cross 4, it means 16 ordered pair amongst them, where this particular condition is true, that relation comes that R is equal to 1 is less than 2. So, one ordered pair is that A is less than B. Condition is satisfied by this ordered pair. Then 1 is also less than 3, 1 is also less than 4. Then next 2, 3, 2 is less than 3 and 2 is also less than 4 or 3 is less than 4. So, this relation definition says that that relation belongs, that 1, 1 belongs to the relation, 1, 3 also belongs to the relation, 1, 4 belongs to the relation, 2, 3, 3 also belongs to the relation, and 2, 4 and 3 and 4. Because this particular property is satisfied by these following ordered pairs. Inverse of a relation: if any relation A, like that A comma B belongs to the relation, then R inverse means that B comma A belongs to the relation inverse. If any ordered pair is 1 comma 2, it means A comma B. So, in inverse this particular ordered pair become B comma A, like 1 and 2, 1 2 become 2 1 and 2 3 become 3 2. So, this is the formula for calculating the inverse of a particular relation. We change the order of the particular ordered pair, that is A to B, then B to A, that is the inverse of a relation. Union of two relation: let us assume that R have some ordered pair and S also have some ordered pair. There is few ordered pair which are common in R and S. We want to continue with, we want to calculate the union of two relation. So, we calculate that 0 comma 2, that is okay, 1 comma 0, that is okay, then 1 comma 2 is common in R and S. So, we write the element of this particular set, we not repeat element in the particular set. So, we put here 1 comma 2 only single time, then again 1 comma 1 is here and 1 comma 0, then 2 comma 0, that is 2 comma 0, then last element is 2 comma 2. Then intersection belongs to the common ordered pair between R and S. So, what is the common element? That is 1 comma 1 0 and 1 0 and 1 2 and 1 2. Any other element? No. So, R intersection S become 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 2. Then difference like set. How we calculate a difference between set? All ordered pair, we process the all ordered pair of R except those part of S. So, we process 0 comma 2, is it present in the S? No. So, we put here, then 1 comma 0, it is present in the S. So, we skip this particular ordered pair, we process all ordered pair of R. Then 1 comma 2 also present. So, we skip this, then again 2 comma 0, then which is not part of S. So, we write here 2 comma 0. So, we can easily calculate the R minus S. So, we can also calculate the S minus R, that set of all ordered pair which present in the S but not in R. Set of all ordered pair which present in the S but not in R. So, what is the value of S minus R? That 1 0 already present in the R. So, we skip this, then 1 comma 1 not present in the R. So, we include here 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2 already present in the R. So, we skip this, then 2 comma 2 2 comma 2 not present in the R, so we include 2 comma 2. So here we can say that R minus S not equal to S minus R. It means this difference operator is not follow the commutative law. Then the relation, let A and B be the set or simply a relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. We can say that A comma B belongs to the relation, then we say it A is related to the B, written as also A or B. And if we can say that A comma B not belongs to the relation, we then simply write as A is not related to B. We write here A not related to B. Like this, we have two sets A and B. There is some element present in A and B also. A have the element egg, milk, corn, and B have cow, goats and hens. So we have a certain relation that A comma B, it means first element of this set have relation with second element from the set B, that is the B. It means A produced by B. Egg produced by cow? No, the relation is not true. Egg produced by goat? No, relation is not true. Egg produced by hens? Yes, relation is true. So ordered pair is constructed, that is egg comma hens. Egg produced by hens. Then second option is milk. Milk produced by cow. Yes, statement is correct. Then milk produced by goat, yes, statement is correct. Then milk produced by hen, no, relation is not true. Then corn produced by cows, no. Corn produced by goat, no. Corn produced by hens, no. So according to the definition of relation, the relations are having only three ordered pair: egg comma hens, milk comma goat, milk comma cows. Inverse relation, this is the property of inverse relation also. If we inverse the inverse of a particular relation, that become a relation. If we have 1 comma 2 in a relation, that is R, and we invert the relation, that is R inverse, again become 2 comma 1. If we again inverse this particular relation, then 2 here and 1 here, it means 1 comma 2. So it is also equivalent to R. So this particular property is followed by inverse of a relation. Pictorial representation of a relation. If we have 4 elements in a particular relation, this particular relation is captured on a set A, that R on set A cross A, and A having some elements like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we first construct the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first ordered pair is 1, 2, 2. So we draw a directed edge between 1 and 2. Then again 2 and 2. So we draw the loop from 2 to 2. Then 2 to 4. That 2 to 4. Then 3 comma 2. Then 3 comma 2. Then 3 comma 4, then 3 comma 4, then 4 comma 1, then 4 comma 1 and 4 comma 3, then 4 comma 3. So this is the procedure how we convert a particular relation into a graph for solving a bigger problem into the small parts. We can also draw the matrix form of this particular relation if set A having the 3 element, that is 1, 2, 3, and B set having element x, y, z. So we put all element of set A here and put element of set B here, and what is the value, that is 1 comma 1. It means this particular position is 1 comma x. Is 1 comma x belongs to the relation, that is 1 comma x not belongs to the relation, so we put here 0. If certain ordered pair is present in a relation, then we put binary equivalent 1. That is 1 comma y present in a relation, so we put here 1, and 1 comma z is also present here, so we write here 1. And what about the 2 comma x? 2 comma x not belongs to the relation, so we put here 0. 2 comma y also not present, so we put 0. 2 comma z also not present, so we put here 0. And 3 comma x also not present, so we write here 0. Then 3 comma y belongs to the relation, so that's why we write here 1. And 3 comma z not belongs to the relation, so we put here 0. We can also draw this is the set A and this is the set B, and we draw some mapping function. That first order pair is 1 to y, so we draw a directed edge between 1 to y, and another is 1 to z, so 1 to z, then 3 to y, then 3 to y. This is the particular mapping function between the A and B, elements of A and B. Composition of relation. If we want to composition of two relation, we combined R and S. This is the symbolic representation of composition, that is a small 0, that is the ROS, that is the composition of two relation. We have the first relation, that is R, and we have the second relation, that is S. So, one is 1 comma A, 2 comma D, 3 comma A, 3 comma B, and 3 comma D, and another relation, that is S, that is B comma X, B comma Z, and C, Y, and C, D, Z. So, how we composite two relation? It means if first relation having the X comma Y, that is the first relation, and Y also related to Y comma Z, that belongs to the second relation. So, we can say that X must be related to Z, also present in the relation, that is the composition. That is, if we say that ki 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3, so we directly say that ki 1 is also less than 3. It is understood, that is the transitivity property, that is the operation of composition. So, 1 comma A composition base in second relation, the ordered pair which is started with A, there is no ordered pair present which is started with A. So, this particular ordered pair is not composite with any other ordered pair present in a S. So, we pick another ordered pair, that is 2 comma D. So, we add with the D, it means that is 2 and 2, here B and here also same value is occurs. So, 2 comma D, we select that ordered pair which start with the D. So, there is a one ordered pair which is started with D. So, it means 2D composite with D comma Z. It means 2 comma D composition with D comma Z, or result become first and last, that is 2 comma Z. So, we write here 2 comma Z. Then next ordered pair is 3 comma A. Again there is no ordered pair present starting with A. So, we can't composite with any other ordered pair present in S. So, we take 3 comma B. So, here we have two ordered pair which started with B. So, it means we composite with both, that is 3 comma B composition with B comma X, and 3 comma B also composite with B comma Z. It means output is 3 comma X, first element of this ordered pair and last element of this ordered pair, first element of this ordered pair and last element of this ordered pair, that is equivalent to 3 comma Z, and here 3 comma X, 3 comma X and 3 comma Z. Then last element is 3 comma D. 3 comma D composite with 3 comma D, and here only single ordered pair that is started with D, that is D comma Z, and result is what? First and last, that is 3 comma Z, or 3 comma Z is already present in the set, so we need not require to repeat that particular ordered pair. So this is the composition of relation, and in composition operation is also not commutative in nature. It means that R composition with S not equal to S composition of R. Type of relation. According to their ordered pair present in a particular relation, there is some different type of relation are present. Their name is, first is the reflexive relation. If we construct a particular relation on set A cross A, and A having some values like A is equal to 1, 2 and 3, so we can say that if any relation for all element of this particular set A having the relation like A comma A must belongs to the relation, that particular relation is reflexive relation. It means that if R1 is a relation like 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, and another relation that is R2 that equal to 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 and 1 comma 2. For reflexive relation, for all element of this set having their itself relation, it means there is 3 element, that is 1, 2 and 3. So 1 1 ordered pair 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3, all ordered pairs must be present in the relation. So we compute in R1, the 1 1 is present, but no 2 comma 2 is present in the relation. So this particular relation is not reflexive relation. In this particular relation 2 2 is present, 3 3 is present, but 1 1 is not present. So a particular relation that is R3 that equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 3. This particular relation is reflexive relation because it satisfies its definition that all element of this set, it means 1, so 1 comma 1 is present in the relation, then second element is 2, then 2 comma 2 also present in the relation, then third element is 3 comma 3 that is also present in the relation. So this particular relation R3 is a reflexive relation. It means for all element itself relation must be present in a particular relation. So consider the following relations, that is R1, we check that ki determine which of the relation is a reflexive relation. So 1 1 is present here, there is total number of 4 element, we have to check 1 1, 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4. 1 1 is present, 2 2 is not present, 3 3 is also not present and 4 4 is present. Is it reflexive? No, it is not reflexive relation. If it is reflexive relation, so 2 comma 2 must belongs to the relation and 3 comma 3 also belongs to the relation. So this particular relation is not a reflexive relation. Then what about R2? That 1 1 is present, then 2 2 is present, 3 3 is present and 4 4 is present. It means all element of this particular set having its self relation. So this particular relation is a reflexive relation. So this particular relation is reflexive relation. What about R3? 1 1 is not belongs to the relation, 2 2 is not belongs to the relation, 3 3 is not the belongs to the relation, and also 4 comma 4 is also not belongs to the relation. So this particular relation is not a reflexive relation. Irreflexive relation. In irreflexive relation, for all element of this particular set, that is A, says that ki A comma A not belongs to the relation, that is the A comma A not belongs to the relation for all element of this particular set not having a single, even a single itself relation. So that relation is called irreflexive relation. So we can calculate the which one is the irreflexive relation. 1 comma 1 is present, so this particular relation is not a irreflexive relation. 4 comma 4 also belongs to the relation. According to the definition, there is no itself relation present in the particular relation. That is R2 1 comma 1 is present, so that's why this particular relation is not a irreflexive relation. 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 and 4 comma 4, but in this particular R3 1 comma 1 not belongs to the relation, 2 comma 2 not belongs to the relation, 3 comma 3 not belongs to the relation, and also 4 comma 4 not belongs to the relation. Any element of this particular set not having the itself relation. So that's why this particular relation is a irreflexive relation. Non-reflexive relation, either relation is neither reflexive nor irreflexive, is known as non-reflexive. It means some itself relation is present and some itself relation is absent. So we can say that that particular relation is non-reflexive relation. Okay, thank you.